Welcome back, guys. Today was an exciting day at the market. It's a short week because we had Juneteenth yesterday, so we only have 4 trading days. So today was a very not so volatile trading day, but if you're a Tesla investor, you would love it because today Tesla just erupted again. So let's share the screen for you. As you can see, Tesla ended at 274. It did hit 275. So it broke that little screen. And as we've been talking about it, Tesla has been notching it nonstop. And it's getting to that resistance level that we've been talking about, which is 311, 312, 313. So this is the spot where, we'll see the next resistance line. We are at a little peak point where we might see a little resistance towards 285 to 290 as well. But the good news today was why Tesla has been popping is because another EV maker has asked Tesla to make their supercharging network, the plugs, so they make it and stuff like that. And that big company supposedly is Amazon owned, and it's called Rivian. So let's see what Rivian did today. Rivian had a big rip in the beginning, as you can see, and it stabilized. And it also had a 5% gain today, too. So Rivian, if you look at in the day chart, I mean, its high point as 179, and it's been demolished because it hasn't met expectations yet. So once I think we start seeing a little rise in their car making power and stuff, we could probably get back to the 22 to the 38, 40 range. So if you're an investor, not financial advice, I would be looking at these peaks right here and be making sure to check in on their next earning calls to see how they're actually doing. Now, if we go back to Tesla, if we go to the 5-minute chart, you can see in the aftermarket, it's boosted to 278. So we might see something of a threshold hitting 280, and it's going to be another resistance point. So we'll see how that does tomorrow, especially at what the market's been doing. So the market did not do really good today. Dow Jones was down more than 1% during the trading hours, but it came back to and it ended up with a down 0.72%. S&P was down almost 0.5%, and Nasdaq was struggling to stay afloat. It was green for a second or two, and it ended up a little short. So going forward, we might see a little struggle going forward. We can see the Asian markets are taking a hit. Hang Seng is down 2%, and as you can see, China hasn't opened the way it was supposed to open. So that could really reflect on how American stocks would be doing because they thought Chinese economy is supposed to boost the stocks that are already being boosted. But we already have a tech rally and an AI rally going forward. We might see a little pullback, but a lot of analysis are saying that that's a buy moment. But again, do your own due diligence, and this is not financial advice, but this is just we're talking about money.
Hello. Yeah, just quick question about Rivian. Do you think they're gonna follow GM4 about the charger connections?
That's exactly what they did. So that is why Tesla was popping today, and that's why Rivian
But they're
stayed
not.
pop today.
But Rivian is not.
Rivian wasn't, but their next cars that are going to be coming out are going to have the Tesla adapters going forward. So they're going to be included into the Tesla supercharging network.
And that's great for
Yeah,
Tesla.
that's great for Tesla, and we'll see more stuff coming out too. The end of quarter 3, we're supposed to have Cybertrucks. It's going to be it's very exciting. It wasn't exciting last year to be a Tesla investor. It was like we always said, it was a great buy moment, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And hopefully people are seeing some results to that. Hopefully they didn't buy at a high point, but if they did, I hope they were adding more to their shares. And so it could like be a median price hold. And right now Tesla shareholders are loving it. Option calls are like immensely high. So we'll see what tomorrow brings.
Well, good luck everybody. Make some money and we will see you guys on the next video.
All right, take it, guys.